how to transfer domain from Godaddy to Namecheap. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Today's video, let us show you how you will be able to transfer a domain from Godaddy to your Namecheap. So over here in your Godaddy, open the domain that you want to use or transfer. After that, click on your Namecheap, click on domain transfer, and you're simply going to copy the domain that you are having or that you have. Enter it and click on transfer. Over here, there are certain things that you would need to disable, such as the transfer lock over here. Simply disable the domain lock over here, or you could also click on transfer to another registrar straight from Godaddy if you want. But as you can see, you would need to disable the transfer lock and have your authorization code, which you will be able to get from your Godaddy as well. If you do those, you will be able to initiate the transfer between Namecheap and your Godaddy. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.